Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to decorate a birthday party. This is a party that I decorated for my girl Adriana, and I want to show you how I did everything step by step. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you. I'll begin by draping. Our theme color is pink, and so I'll not use the orange wall. I trimmed this number 9 from boxes, just the normal boxes that we have, but you can use a cardboard. I don't know why we can call it that. I'll pick this gift wrapper to give me that color that I want, and then I'm using Prate glue to attach it to my number because my girl is turning 9. And then I'll attach the number to the curtain, and I've used a double-sided tape to attach it. The next thing is to write the letters Happy Birthday Adriana on these boxes also. Then I'll trim them out. Then the next thing I'll do is to use aluminum foil to wrap the letters because I want the letters to be in silver. Aluminum foil is very easy to work with, and so I just wrap it around the letters. Let me do one more letter. The next thing I'll do is to pick a manila paper and cut it into smaller pieces. This is where I'll use these are the pieces that I'll use to attach the letters Happy Birthday, and these are my measurements. These manila papers, you can get them from bookshops or supermarkets. You can also pick a color of your choice. The next thing I'll do is to attach the letters on them, and here I'll use a braid, but later I used stapler. These ones can work, but also stapler can work better. And then I place them under the number 9. I use a thread, you see, these are thread, a gray thread, and with a sellotape. It's so simple. Yeah, it's so simple. I attached them there and then I hanged it on my wall. The next thing I'll also take again manila paper. These two must be of the same size, or each pair should be of the same size. You can use small or big, or you can mix the sizes, but each pair must be of the same size. I'm using a print again, but you can also use a stapler here. It will make your work easier. Then I'll spread it out. I'll use this to attach the letters for Adrena's name. Then I'll pick my balloons. I'll tie them into pairs. Then use a thread to hold them together, to tie them together until I reach down, and then I'll do the same with the upper side. I bought my balloons from the supermarket. some were 45 shillings, some were 10 shillings, some were 20. And then I took this curling ribbon and I tied them on my balloons. Some were helium balloons and some I attached using glue. Not really glue, but double-sided tape. If you go for helium balloons, they'll go up on their own because they float. But you know they're very expensive, so you just have to add or mix them with other balloons also, which are cheaper, and then you attach them using double-sided tape on the roof or on your sailing board. The next thing is to make this stand, my balloon stand, the most beautiful part. And then I attach my balloons. So guys, even as we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so that you can see my next videos. Yeah, here I'm just done. There's only one thing left. Yeah, this one, this is the only part remaining. I'll trim them and then I use a transparent sellotape to attach them to the curling ribbons. Yeah, so guys, bye and thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe again for more videos. Thank you.